I'm joined today by John Vanier and Gary Browning from AEG Power Solutions. Gentlemen, you're very welcome.
Thank you.
Can you just give me a little more information about AEG Power Solutions, what you do, and the products you've introduced to GITEX this year and that you'll be launching beyond GITEX?
Okay, I mean, AEG Power Solutions is a long-established company in the power electronics industry, and we've worked very extensively in a number of verticals: oil and gas, transportation, and power generation. But over the last 12 months, we've really made a special push in terms of launching products into the data and IT vertical, and our presence here at GITEX is to launch some new products specifically aimed at that industry.
Yeah, the products we're talking about, we're launching this week, is Protect B Pro and our Protect D ranges, which are UPSs from 1 kVA up to 10 kVA.
Within this industry, then, what are the trends that are starting to develop within this region?
We are starting to see, not just in this region but everywhere around, energy efficiency and density and cooling issues within data centres. So people are trying to put more equipment into smaller areas and need more efficiency for the products that they're using.
Another thing we're also finding is obviously very key at the moment is green IT. So we're developing solutions that are environmentally friendly and are focused on renewable energy storage systems, renewable energies like solar and wind and hydropower. So that's something that's part of our portfolio. We have a concept called combination architecture, which is utilising renewable sources with existing products to minimise carbon footprint for the customer.
Within your client verticals, who is most proactive in embracing this technology for their business?
I think on the renewable side of things, it's all clients have to focus on their carbon footprint. So and become more eco-friendly, environmentally friendly. So I think it's really across the board. It's difficult to pick out one particular customer, but say everybody is now focusing on, as Gary says, energy efficiency and renewable energies.
Are there any large organisations that are making more of a push? They're making a very noticeable push, investing more finance.
Again, the large companies have a responsibility, a corporate responsibility for the environment. So we're talking to some of the big banks in the UK. We're talking to some of the big IT integrators as well. It really is across the board.
So, with this region in particular, what are the challenges in attracting businesses to adopt us within this particular region?
Again, I think it's all about not just energy efficiency but data availability as well, needing to keep the whole network up constantly without any downtime. So and people are starting to see that now as power is not something that is now can be taken for granted, which is something that people used to think that was the case. There are problems in power, there are various causes of that, and people are now taking it seriously and putting in solutions to bring that down and to keep their availability as high as possible.
For those who can't afford to make as much of an effort as others, I mean, what are the practical recommendations you would have for these businesses to cut down their carbon footprint?
I mean, we've got a broad portfolio of products that can cater for all kinds of needs. So therefore, we have some lower cost products that are targeted maybe just in the Middle East region, and other higher spec, higher premium products that will cope in other regions. We try and cover all eventualities with our product range.
So you're trying to tailor your packages for each individual, small, absolutely. Medium and large, yeah?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Absolutely. And when it comes to availability and redundancy, most people try and go for an N+1 solution, or it can really go higher as well. So we can put in tailored solutions around what kind of what is an acceptable level of availability. We can put something in. 100% availability is always something that everyone strives for, but we can also tailor solutions around that, below that range as well.
Okay guys, that's...
Is that fun?
Anything else you want to talk about? Any other questions?
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can say that we're just launching a power partner program, a reseller program for the channel here.
That's what you're just launching.
That's something else we'll be launching as well.
So I'll just say for now and for the future, well, what are you working on right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we'll start. So guys, for now and for the future, what sort of projects are you working on?
One of the key areas that we're trying to bring at the moment is launching our P3 reseller program. Very keen to bring forward a channel program which is beneficial and profitable for all resellers in this area, and we'll bring forward the reliable AEG products to our customer base that will hopefully benefit from having some German efficient products that we can offer.